Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Looking for a powerful solution to view and analyze Zimbra emails service? If yes, download the 4 and 6 Zimbra Converter software designed with special forensic features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. Install and run 4 and 6 Zimbra Converter. Tap on the Open button. Select Choose File or Choose Folder to browse Zimbra file from your system. We are choosing the Choose Folder option to browse Zimbra folder from system and then tap on Select Folder button. As you see now, all the emails from the mailbox are listed one by one in the software interface. Now, click the listed email folder. Now, click the email to view the message in the defined preview window. Users can preview the complete content of the email with all the details like subject, signature, and more. User can also see the email header preview. Click on the message header option to get the important details. This superb utility also enables you to see the hex view of the email. A forensic investigator can also view the raw information of the email. Please click on the raw message option to get the preview. The tool provides the quick search and advanced search option we will discuss in the next video.